I am Amna and today I am discussing about the TikTok for e-commerce, features and strategies. TikTok, known for its short, engaging video content, has quickly grown in the popularity, especially among the younger audience. The platform's unique blend of entertainment, virality, and the community engagement offers e-commerce businesses a fresh avenue to reach their potential customers. Key features and functionality. Short videos. TikTok primarily revolves around a 15-second to a 3-minute videos. These bite-sized clips are perfect for capturing the attention quickly. For Your Page. The main feed where users discover new content. The For Your Page algorithm tailors content based on users' interactions, preferences, and behavior. Do It and Stitch. Features allowing the users to respond to or remix other users' content. E-commerce businesses can leverage these for collaborative promotions or to engage with the user-generated content. TikTok Shopping. Some regions have integrated shopping features allowing businesses to display the product links directly in their videos or profile. TikTok Ads. Various ad formats like in-feed ads, brand takeovers, and hashtag challenges. These can be targeted based on your user demographics and behaviors. Effects and filters. Tools that enhance the videos, making them more engaging and creative. Sounds and music. An extensive library of music and the sound clips can be incorporated into the videos. Analytics. TikTok Pro accounts offer insights into the followers, video performance, and engagement metrics. Strategies for e-commerce success. Showcase the product's creatively. TikTok is all about creativity and entertainment. Showcase products is fun, engaging ways rather than direct hard selling. Leverage trending challenges. Participate in or create your own hashtag challenges. This encourages the user participation and can quickly boost the brand visibility. Use influencer partnerships. Collaborate with the TikTok influencers to showcase your products. Their endorsement can introduce your brand to a massive engaged audience. Engage with user-generated content. Encourage the satisfied customers to create videos with your products. Engage with these by liking, commenting, or even using the duet feature. Offer exclusive deals. Provide the TikTok exclusive discount codes or early bird specials to incentivize the viewers to visit your e-commerce platform. Educational content. Create how-to videos, product demonstrations, or answer frequently asked questions. This positions your brand as a helpful resource. Run the targeted ad campaigns. Use TikTok's advertising platform to get your product in front of your target audience. Remember to keep the content engaging and aligned with the platform's informal and fun tone. Analyze and adapt. Regularly review your TikTok's analytics to understand which content types and strategies resonate most with your audience. Adjust your approach based on this feedback. Engage with the community. Respond to comments, participate in trends, and actively engage with both your followers and broader TikTok community. If I conclude that all, I would say TikTok's dynamic and interactive nature offers the e-commerce businesses a unique way to showcase the products and build the brand identity. By understanding the platform's features and aligning the strategies with the preferences of the TikTok community, e-commerce brand can foster the genuine engagement, build the trust, and drive the sales in a way that feels organic and entertaining. Thank you very much for listening to us. Please keep in touch for watching upcoming videos.